Hi everyone, my name is Unanase Francoise and I'm the one of Moringa School graduate in Kigali through Record program. I'm going to tell you a bit more about my job after graduation and how Moringa School has helped me to deal with it. By now, I'm an employee in a company called Harvest as an IT support. In my first week of my job, I was a little bit confused with what am I supposed to do, and I had a bit of difficulties in doing the things that they have as the way that they have done in the company. Within the skills that I got in Moringa School is like it was like my family. Moringa School teach me learn I can learn by myself, and I have been able to ask within when I met with difficulties, and when I was stuck, I was being able to ask with my colleagues, and also by using by using different resources to educate by myself. By now, I want really to thank Moringa Schools with what I have learned from them, and they have been able to teach me, and they have been. I believe that I will be able to do what I have learned from them, and also I believe that I will be more successful in the future with the skills that I got from Moringa School. Thank you so much.